The thing that was really important to us for this build was functionality. We did not want to design a truck that was just a tow truck. We wanted it to be something that if we were to take it out with different influencers within the overland sector, the truck was functional. So you'll notice that a lot of the partners that are on this build are key people within the industry, such as Casey Highlights, Warren, Leitner, and others.
I was here about 6 weeks ago and it was silver. Didn't look like much of a truck. And the transformation over the last 6 weeks has been tremendous.
DeWitt radiator just made a full custom radiator and it is massive.
It's going to cool the motor down too.
Yeah, we are going to reverse engineer radiator support. That's all we really.
There's painless wiring everywhere. So excess battery will be powering the car. We've got 3 batteries that are fitting behind the back seat, and then you've got the 2 main batteries inside the engine bay.
The Project Artemis has a substantial amount of accessories, so we needed a strong battery system to power this vehicle, essentially. And excess battery brought, their best foot forward, and they just have an absolutely fabulous product.
So we finally got the seats back. That Speed and Design turned around pretty quickly for us. Now we have to do final assembly of the seats. We have to re-dye some of the panels so they'll match the rest of the interior. Clean up frame, seat tracks, so everything works properly when it goes back into the truck.
With our KC light bar up front and our KC bumper lights, we're able to light up everything in front of us for at least 50 feet out. Probably closer to 75 in a nice dark situation. Casey gave us a 9-light spotlight to go up top. We also have 2 more spotlights in our front bumpers.
So today we're going to be working with primarily what we call our boss line. And that kind of encompasses polishers, which are the machines that we use, our pads, and our liquids to take this finish that we're going to work with on the hood and the cab of the truck and take out all the sand marks, make the finish look beautiful so that when it goes to the show, it looks flawless.
10 days from done.
10 days?
10 days.
How's it? I mean, is it truly 10 days?
It has to be 10 days. We have a show.
I'm never behind.
Come on, baby.
Go!
Come on, baby.
Go, 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 go! Yeah!
I'm right on time. As long as I show up to the show and the vehicle is there, I was never behind.